So I'm gonna square myself up in a tabletop position in front of my chair with my ankles stacked right underneath the hips and my wrists right underneath the shoulders. I'm gonna draw the belly in, do my lift, and then I'm gonna draw the elbow towards the knee, press back out, set that side down, and then go to the other side. So remembering that I wanna draw my belly in before I do my lift. In that crunch, I should really bring my back into the kind of that cat arch position, really stretching between the vertebrae, bringing relief to that lower back area. And then on that press back out, I should really feel a good stretch in the leg and in the arm. And you'll notice that I'm pointing my toes down towards the floor. So just check in with your feet, make sure you're doing the same. If I'm turning my feet out to the sides, that's actually not going to be a great position for my lower back to get this stretch. So I'm trying to stretch in the position that I want the joints aligned, the position that I would stride in. So as much as you can, trying to keep those feet nice and straight, having the top of your hand face the ceiling as you extend out, or your thumb, whichever is more comfortable for you, just to stretch those shoulders evenly. Great work.